You're watching How Leap. Let's see how to remove or reduce the suggested for you posts and reels from your Instagram feed. Open the Instagram app and find a suggested post, which will have suggested for you labeled above it. Tap the three-dot menu in the top right corner of that specific post. From the menu that appears, select Not Interested. This tells Instagram's algorithm you don't want to see content like that specific post. For a broader fix, go to your profile and tap the menu icon. Select Settings and Privacy, tap on Content Preferences, then tap on Suggested Content. Here you will find the option Show Suggested Posts. Toggle this switch off. This action should remove most suggested content from your main feed. However, it may not remove all suggestions from places like the Explore page or Reels. You can also refine suggestions further by tapping on specific words and phrases to hide content with certain tags, or less of this type of content under Interests too. Downvote entire topics. These steps train Instagram's algorithm and give you more control over your feed. The changes take effect immediately, but the algorithm learns gradually. For more simple Instagram tutorials, subscribe to the channel.